Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this weather stripping. So this is like a neoprene weather stripping. So whether you want to put it around your doors or windows, basically just clean your area first, peel off the back. This features one roll and it's a 1/2 inch wide there, 1/8 of an inch thick and 33 feet long. So this is just going to come off of here. This is a nice neoprene material, so it has some flexibility, not gonna break really easy like a foam or something. A lot more durable than a foam, obviously neoprene, and a little stretchable. So we're just gonna clean our area, our surface area. Then this white portion peels off, and we can just put it wherever you need to keep air out. So if you need to make your house a little bit more energy efficient, if you have older windows, these can go around the frame of the window. If you have doors or whatever, good soundproofing too. Or if the door is a little loose and it slams, makes noise, rattles or whatever, you put these on the inside of the door. When you shut it, it seals, makes a little cushion there. No more rattling doors, or it reduces the sound obviously coming through those as well. So a great idea. I'm probably going to be putting these on some of my doors here. So let's go do that. Okay friends, so we have a door, a little bit of rattle there or whatever. So we can just take our weather stripping here and just kind of measure how long we need it here. And that's going to go all the way down here. I'm just going to run one all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to cut it off right here. We got 33 feet of this, so looks pretty good. Okay, and it's as simple as just peeling this off now. Make sure your surface is nice and clean, should be all right. And then we just kind of stick this down on there. Just kind of run it along the side there. If you need to readjust it a little bit, stuff's kind of forgiving, so there we go. And just kind of make sure it's lined up here as we work our way down. And there's that. Okay. Super easy to work with. And this should eliminate any issues with our door rattling or whatever. So if you live in a house where you have some draft or anytime, or you got actually like a good seal in your house, and anytime someone shuts the door, it like rattles all the other doors because of the air. So this stuff will keep your doors from doing that. Or if you like to sleep with your window open, just a bunch of different scenarios. But this is going to also, it's just going to keep that from being a problem anymore. And there we go. Just kind of smooth it down. And we can shut our door now. You can hear that there's not any more like rattling or anything. It's not rattling back and forth, so that's nice. Generally, closet doors aren't going to have that extra space needed. So if you have to adjust this a little bit, you can do that. But generally your outside doors are going to have room for weather stripping and things like that. And this is a nice replacement for that, because different things can happen, and like foam ones can get eroded away a little bit. So easy way to replace that. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends.